The Intel Core i5-8400 is the best game CPU for most people. The games love fast CPUs, and the Core i5-8400 relies on the performance of a single subprocess of Intel's 8th generation processors with fast turbo boost clock speeds to deliver performance barely surpassed by the best Core i7-8700K of its kind, which costs a lot more money. Intel Core i5 crashed 6-core CPU chips this generation, giving the Core i5-8400 a lot of push for multi-threaded games and desktop activities every day despite its lack of hyper-threading. The price of the Core i5-8400 is correct too. It costs $180 on Amazon, and that's with a stock cooler included. The fastest unlocked Core i5-8600K costs $245 on Amazon without a fan. You will not be able to overclock the Core i5-8400, but it should not matter. This is something that draws attention, and unless you want to run several graphics cards, giving up an overclockable chip in the K series means you probably do not need to buy an expensive Z370 motherboard, which allows you to save even more money with an H370 or B360 motherboard in place. The Core i5-8400 is incredibly fast and has exceptional value.